Congratulations on being accepted to Springfield College. As an accepted student, we know you are a great fit for our community, and we are excited to invite you to campus on April 5th for our Accepted Students Open House. There is no better way to picture yourself here than to spend the day on campus with other future Springfield College students. This day is all about answering your questions and helping you get to know our campus community better.
I chose Springfield College because when I went to the Accepted Students Open House, as I walked around campus, I realized that everyone greeted me as I walked by, and I felt welcomed the entire day.
At Open House, you will spend most of the day with current students who will teach you all about campus life. You can check out each residence hall to see where you might want to live, meet with a faculty member in your major, and even meet our president, Mary Beth Cooper.
I chose Springfield College because the campus is beautiful and I could see this as my second home.
I chose Springfield College because from the first time I stepped on campus, I felt an energy. Everyone has a passion to be here, and it's an amazing community to be a part of.
We want you to leave campus knowing that Springfield College is the right choice for you. Come see for yourself why you should choose Springfield College. Can't wait to see you at Accepted Student Open House on April 5th.